Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any object onto your photos in Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can now use the open button or the plus icon to open up any image on which you would like to place your object. Once you open up this image, tap on the Tools button and make sure that you have already downloaded this object onto your device that you want to add. Now from the Tools menu, scroll down and tap on Double Exposure, and now you can tap on the Open Image icon. Now just open up the object that you would like to add to this image, and once you open up this object, go ahead and adjust the size and scale as well as the image's position. Once you are done, tap on the opacity option at the bottom section and then slide it to the left so that it is almost invisible. Then tap on the tick mark, and now you can tap on the Edit Stack option and then click on View Edits to find the double exposure that you have just made. Go ahead and click on this and then tap on the middle option from which you can fine-tune your edit. Now tap on the invert option and use the brush to highlight the object that you want to appear within your image. You will now need to tap on the invert option once again so that the red spot only appears on top of the object that you want to place. Now make sure that the mask option is also selected and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Now your object has appeared faintly within your image. You can once again tap on double exposure and tap on the settings button. And now once again tap on opacity, but this time make sure that your object is visible fully. Now tap on the tick mark once again, and now you will see that your object has now appeared within your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an object onto your image using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.